So hello and welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the Adventure Combo, and in the Adventure Combo, unlike your traditional packaging, you get some of the additional accessories. And you can see the price tag here. It says 819 Australian dollars, but because there was a Christmas deal going on, I got this at 649 Australian dollars. So without any further delays, let's just unbox this. I've got my knife here. Okay. So before unboxing, if you really want to know what's inside of the Adventure Combo, these are the items you get. There is the extension rod, there are 3 batteries, and there is a battery case. And if you turn to the back, you can see additional stuff. You can see here, Osmo Action 4, battery case, 1.5 extension rod, and there's locking screws and some of the adhesive mounts, etc. I've had GoPros in my past, but this is my first ever DJI Action cam. Not sure how you even open this box, but maybe it's like an envelope. It is. Okay, once you open the box, you do see 2 additional packages there. One is Osmo Action 4 and the other is accessories. So first, maybe let's take the accessories out. Oh, I said accessories, but I pulled the Osmo Action 4. That's okay. And let's take the accessories out. And then we also get something inside here. Okay, this is the rod. It is quite hefty. It does feel somewhat, like heavy, but not too heavy. So that's basically it. We can toss the box to the side. So now, before we take a look at the Osmo Action 4, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox the accessories and see what the accessories are. Although I read in the box, I want to verify. So let's see. We get silica gel. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We also get some kind of mount here, which probably will come in handy. We also get... There's quite a lot in this box. And you get this battery case, which I think the batteries are inside this. I'll open this shortly. And then you also get... There's this protective case or something. You also get some booklets and a DJI sticker right here. And then there's a QR code to install the app. Before I take the batteries out, let's see what kind of adapter this is. Okay, it's like a traditional adapter. There is some DJI branding here. Now let's get into the battery. Okay, it's quite slim. It looks like a battery bank, to be honest. So there's DJI branding up top. And you do have a flap here, which I assume you do this. Okay, and there are 3 batteries here, and it does light up their indicators here. And once you close this light should slowly go away. And you have a USB-C port right here. So I think if you charge the case, it charges the battery. So there is a way to charge all 3 batteries at once. That's quite good. That's everything in the accessories. So let's do the Osmo Action 4 now. There's 2 things right here. Okay, this is the Osmo Action 4. I'll put this to the side for now. And then we have this frame or something. Let's open this up first. Okay, there's some screws as well. Oh, this is a frame. This is a frame. The screws and everything inside of the plastic in the frame. There are 2 screws in this one. I don't need to open this up to show you guys. There's this red thing here. I think this is some adhesive mount. Yep, this is an adhesive mount. If you've used GoPro or if you've used any of the DJI cams, I think you've seen this. But let me open it up just to give you guys a closer look. This is how it looks. And to use this, it's quite easy. You just peel the red sticker out and then you have access to the adhesive, and then you can put this on your car, your helmet, wherever you want. And similarly, there's another adapter, which is basically the same as this one. So I don't want to open this. Here we have the housing of the DJI Osmo 4. So yeah, I think this is going to be handy for, I don't know what. I need to do some research. Let's come to the star of the show, which is the Osmo 4. Am I saying that right? This is the Osmo Action 4. Let's open this up. Okay. Here we have the Osmo 4. Let's peel this off. And there's the lens. And there is the bigger screen on the back. There's a smaller screen on the front. So whenever you're recording video like this, you can see yourself and you can frame yourself better. There is a power button here, and then there is a recording button here. There's some speakers on the top as well. I've heard that this is like color sensing, some technology right here, which helps get the better color out of the camera. There are a couple of buttons here as well. Like there's a button here. I don't know what this does. I haven't read the manual, but I want to figure it out for myself. And there's another button right here on this side where the power button is. So if I were to press and pull, okay. This has a USB-C right here, which is very hard to show. And then if you want to install the battery, what you do is you press this and then you push and then you pull. And then you have access to the battery slot. You can pretty much see everything that's inside here. That's kind of weird. Okay, now that we've seen the Action Cam 4, let's take a look at the rod because I forgot to show you this. So if we take this out, we have this rod, and I think what you can do is you can mount the DJI Osmo 4 on top of this one. And if you want to vlog or record video, you can do it like this, which is going to be quite convenient. And you can also mount this on top of a camera, on top of some other stand. So it is quite flexible. There's this sticker that I want to remove now. It has the branding as well, DJI Action, if you can see this. I need to figure out a way to take this out, because then I think if I take this bottom part out, then it goes like this. I don't know how to do that. Okay, I think I figured this out, because I was trying to pull the bottom by putting my fingernails in, but it seems that maybe I don't have to do that, because I was looking at the adapters and then something hit me. Maybe I don't need to plug this in or something like that. Maybe this bottom part goes in. So it's magnetic. What the hell? Oh, wow. So if I just align it properly, it could. Okay, done. And it's a very strong magnet. Wow. So see, it's attached. Done. So easy. Now all I have to do is take the DJI Action, this extension rod, and then do like this. And then all I have to do is screw it in. So to screw it in, I think I'm going to be using one of these screws that was here. So let's do that. See, I enjoy not researching and figuring this out in the video because it's live reaction. So let's do this. Let's try it right here. Okay. And then screw it. Okay, it's screwed. See? Now this is all ready to go. And you could be basically, I don't know, vlogging. So gonna be loosening this up and then tightening this now. Okay, you could do like this and be like, like vlogging, like, hey, how's it going? And your setup is basically done. If you're traveling, this does become very handy because you do get a lot of great shot. And the one reason I chose this over the GoPro Hero 12 is because this has a really small sensor, and having small sensor means that you get really good footage in low light. And compared to the GoPro Hero 12, because of the small sensor on the Action 4, this is going to have much more better performance in the low light scenarios. And that's what I'm really looking for, because when you're traveling, you can never be too sure of the lighting conditions out there in the real world. So having a camera or an Action Cam that performs good in low light is actually going to help. And the reason I got this is because for my Cairns trip, I really wanted an Action Cam so that I could basically be on the go and start recording. And seeing the Adventure Pack on sale was a no-brainer for me to get it because it comes with 3 batteries, meaning that I can charge this one battery case and it charges all 3 batteries. I will be ready to go. I have 3 batteries fully charged, and then I can constantly start recording. So that's why I got it. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I'll definitely see you again in the next one. Till then, peace.